Welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use modern authentication on Surface Hub. So you want to use modern authentication on Surface Hub. So here are some key requirements. First of all, your device must be running Windows 10 Team 2020 update or later to support the modern authentication protocols. Add the device account using your user principal name, that's your UPN, and the format goes as such. It's your alias @ and the contorso and .com, and this is not the legacy domain alias format, so just keep that in mind. And then the mailbox must be hosted in Exchange Online for modern authentication to function properly. Ensure that there's no MDN or provisioning package policies that are blocking modern authentication on your devices. And then for hybrid Active Directory environments, cloud authentication must be used. So note that this is for federal accounts and they still rely on legacy protocols. The setup process is relatively simple. Add your device account in your UPN format on Surface Hub. Confirm modern authentication is enabled in your Microsoft 365 Admin Center. Verify the Exchange Online settings support modern protocols. Then your authentication methods. Use Microsoft authentication apps for the passwordless sign-in. You can deploy FIDO2 USB security keys for enhanced security, and then also configure multi-factor authentication policies. And then your verification steps include checking your modern authentication usage via your Azure logs, and then use Exchange Online PowerShell to verify policies blocking legacy auth. And lastly, test your device account sign-in and sync functionality.